I'm pleased to have the opportunity to present e-Petition 4547 to the House of Commons. This petition was initiated by Regina resident Kuram Awan and has been signed by residents across the country. The petition is regarding reports of politically motivated acts of violence in Pakistan, following the arrest of former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan and the postponement of general elections in that country in violation of the country's constitution. The petition calls on the House of Commons Standing Committee on Foreign Affairs and International Development to explore the feasibility of imposing Magnitsky sanctions on members of the Pakistani military responsible for the violence. The petition also calls on the government to pressure the International Monetary Fund to make any loans to the Pakistani regime conditional on hosting free and fair elections. Mr. Speaker, I'm pleased to have the opportunity to present these petitions here today in the House of Commons.